Hi guys, happy Saturday. I'm here to say, first of all, thank you so much to all the people that they participate in our giveaway. I cannot wait to announce the winners tomorrow. And if you haven't entered the giveaway yet, you still have time up to tonight. Check my previous post and you will find the giveaway post, and hopefully you are one of the winners. So today I'm here to give you a tip for some of the students or the beginners that they had some questions about. Why am I so good on latex when I'm practicing on latex but not as good when it comes to live model? Here's the answer. We always grow when we are out of our comfort zone. When you are practicing on your latex, you have to make sure you put yourself in a situation that is the same as the reality. If you put your latex in front of you and you do your latex practice the same as that you are writing something, this is your comfort zone. It's not going to give you any obstacles to learn and improve yourself. So what you have to do to make sure to put the latex in the same position as client's head, so you will learn how to put hand pressure, how much pressure do you have to put, how to work around people's head or people's eyebrows, so you will improve. Imagine that you put your latex in front of you and you practice. If this is client's head, you are basically sitting on their chest. Is that right? That's it. That's exactly what's gonna happen. So when it comes to reality, you're not gonna sit on somebody's chest to do their eyebrows. You're gonna sit either behind them or next to them. So you have to put your latex practice in the same situation. Me, as a left-hand person, I will always work on my clients from the back. So if this is their head and this is my bed, I will sit in their behind their head and behind their back, behind their head, and I practice my I do my practice, or I perform my microblading. So when I want to practice, I will do exactly the same. I will turn my latex and I will put it behind the client and I will perform the same thing. You have to do the same. You can either work from the back of the client, or if you want to sit next to the client, if you want to sit next to the client, if you are right-handed, which I see lots of artists definitely are right-handed, and if you want to sit next to the client, you have to sit the way that you want to perform on live model, and you practice your latex homework in the same situation. So this is how you can improve and how your live model can be as good as your latex practice. I hope you use this tip. Let me know if it was helpful for you or not, and hopefully you find it helpful. If you have any questions, always you can DM me, or you can either comment it below and I will be more than happy to help you with the answers. Thank you so much for watching and have a great weekend. Mwah.